Hi guys, I'm Saisha and today I'm going to make a beautiful shadow painting along with you. Requirements are a canvas or a cardboard, a palette, brushes are 11, 8, 0, 3, an HB pencil, 4 tube paints black, yellow, orange and red, a tissue paper, a bunch of buds, a pack of sketch pens, a bowl full of water. Now let's start the drawing. I'm using 3 shades yellow, orange and red. I'll first make the partitions. I'm using HB pencil to make. Now I'm making a circle. Now I'll make 2 lines for the partitions of yellow, orange and red. Now I'll keep the circle white only. The first layer is yellow, second is orange, third is red. I'll take a brush, dip it in water. Now I have these 3 colors. Now let's start. I'll take yellow and apply it in a circle motion like this. If the color is dry, use water. Now you all can see I did it. Now I'll apply a little bit water on the edges of the yellow like this, and now I'll use orange. Orangish water first I'll take, and then I'll bold the color, and now try to merge it. Now if you have finished merging yellow and orange, darken the color till the partition like this. And now if you think the orange is too dark and yellow is too light, use a dry brush and try to merge watery orange with watery yellow like this. Now do the same thing on the other side. So now if your yellow is dried and if you think there are some marks on it, just overdo it. If you want, you can cover yellow one more time also. Now I've completed the full orange. You can see the effect, right? Now I'll take orangish water, mix the brush well. And now I'll just apply orangish water on the edges of orange like this. Now I'll take little bit watery red and apply it on the edges like this. Take little bit water. And again I'll keep the brush little bit wet and then try to merge orange with red. Now continue the same. Now if the color is little bit dark and you want to make it even, apply more water. I'll just continue applying red on the edges. Be little bit careful while applying. You can see the strokes of red. Now let's take orange, watery orange. And now apply it on the strokes of red. Like this. Now if you want to darken the red, just darken it on the edges of it. Don't dark on the merges. Now you all can see this orange dots on yellow color. Now I'm doing the water. I'm taking water. And now I'll just apply water on the dots. Now make the brush dry and just move your brush on the canvas one more time. Dry brush. Now I think so you have finished. And now if you think that yellow and orange is not merged properly, you can merge it with water. Just leave little bit strokes like this. Now let's take a HB pencil and let's make the grass, trees, girl and the swing. Now first thing is to make the grass or the ground line. You can directly do grass. Now I made the girl. The girl is holding the strings of the swing. And if you want to show that the strings are attached to something, I am showing that the strings are attached to the branches of the tree. Now just darkening the girl, I am making her hair very thin strokes. Now her toes will not be pointed. Always a human's toes are bent. Now let's take 0 number brush and black paint. If you want, then take little bit water. So use water every second. Now our hairs are just thin strokes. Now you all can see the grass. I'm making it curved, not straight and pointed. And I'm making the ground line up and down. You all can see the trees and the branches. They are not straight. They are little bit cracked and curved. Now I'm taking 8 number brush and 3 number brush to do the trees and the girl. And now I'll apply it on the big tree first. Now you all can see the effect how it came. I used much water. The effect will not come as bold. It will come very light. So to make it bold, just dab the brush on it or take more color or slightly do it. Now you can see I made a honeycomb over there. You can make anything over there. 2 owls, 2 birds, flowers. Now you all can see how light I did. Now you all can see her hair. I just made very thin strokes using 0 number brush or 3 number brush. Now I'm making the grass, and if you want to make flowers on the grass, you can just do point, or you can just do dots. Now I'm using earbuds to make the leaves of the trees and the plants. I'll dip the earbud in watery black. The texture will come like this. Now if the earbud is dried, you can dip it in water and do it. Now I'll take white color and with the very thin brush I'll make dots like this. White dots on the sky to make it more attractive. Now it's ready.
This is my final outcome. Did you like my painting? I'm waiting for your comments.